What if you had never seen the leaves change color in the fall before? What if this was the very first year you had experienced stepping on a crunchy fall leaf? For our toddlers, the world is filled with wonder and new experiences. Let's be their guides and surround their new experiences with words that they can learn to store up in their brains to use to have conversations with us in the future. How can you use fall leaves to help your toddler learn new words? In this video, you'll learn how you can look at any object through my blueprint so that you can introduce your toddler to new vocabulary while you do normal everyday things like playing in the fall leaves. I'm Adrienne and I'm a speech-language pathologist, and I help parents like you feel more confident and excited to make tiny tweaks to your daily life to transform mundane things into engaging learning experiences for your toddler. If you're looking at this leaf and thinking, what else is there to say? It's a leaf. This blueprint is for you. You can download it at learnwithadrienne.com, my gift to you. Okay, let's surround this leaf with words. What is it? It's a leaf, or there's a lot of leaves. Where is it? It's on the tree, on the ground, in a pile under the tree. What's it doing? It's falling from the tree to the ground. What sound does it make? It kind of makes a crinkly sound. It's crunchy. What parts does it have? It has a stem and veins, a blade, and points on it. Who does it belong to? It belongs to the tree, but if I pick it up, it's my leaf, and if you pick one up, it's your leaf. What does leaf rhyme with? Beef, chief, thief, grief, reef, relief, and handkerchief. Now let's look at it with fresh eyes. What's fascinating about it? Look at all the different colors it has. It floats down from the tree so elegantly. What's it made out of? Leaves are made out of cells. What's it used for? Leaves are used for photosynthesis. Leaves also give us shade when we sit under the tree so the sun isn't so bright. Does it have a texture or temperature? It's a little bit bumpy, jagged, pointy, and the temperature feels cool because it's cool outside today. Can it do something unexpected or silly? You can put some leaves in your hands and throw them in the air. Is there another word for leaves? Yeah, we can call it foliage. Now let's talk about simple phrases we can use with leaves. I see the colors red, brown, green, yellow, orange. I hear the leaves blowing in the wind. I hear the crunch, crunch, crunch sound as I step on them. This leaf smells earthy. It tastes icky, don't eat it. It feels dry, crispy, pointy, bumpy, smooth. It can be raked into a pile and thrown in the air. I like jumping in the leaves. We need a rake. Can it float in the water? And then we move on to the ponder out loud section. I wonder who planted this tree. I wonder what type of tree this is. I wonder when all the leaves will fall off this tree. I wonder where this leaf was before it fell off the tree. Which limb do you think that it lived on? Was it up at the top or down at the bottom or in the middle or on the sides? I wonder why leaves don't all fall on the same day. I wonder why so many leaves fall down when it's windy or when it rains. I wonder how many leaves are on this tree. Do you think we could count them all? That'd be a lot of leaves. And we made it through the blueprint. Think about how much language you shared with your child. You used a variety of words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, phrases, sentences, exclamations, and questions. We just did the blueprint with a leaf. Think of all the other things we could come up with if we talked about the tree, or the grass, or the mulch around the tree. Maybe I'll make that into a video in the future. Remember, talk and teach your child. Don't test them. The goal is for them to have so much fun that they don't even realize they're learning complex skills and new words from you. Think about how you feel when you learn something new. You learn best when you're having fun and engaged, not when someone is peppering you with 100 questions in a row. Let me know in the comments, what is your toddler's favorite thing to do outside? Do they like to swing, walk, ride in the wagon or stroller, play with sticks and rocks? You never know, your comment may turn into my next video. Comment below, I can't wait to read it. If you like this video, I recommend watching the video I made about using the blueprint with tissues. Next week's video will be all about using the blueprint with toilet paper rolls. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can see new videos that I post. Don't forget to go grab your free download at learnwithadrienne.com. I make videos and online classes to teach you techniques that help your toddler talk clearly, listen well, and gain life skills. I also teach a sign language class for beginners. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see the new videos I post on Tuesdays. Continue strengthening your own creative muscles and sense of wonder because your toddler is watching you and learning from you, especially in the ordinary moments of life. You just learned something new for yourself that will benefit generations to come because toddlers today become leaders tomorrow. You're teaching them how to communicate to connect. See you next Tuesday with my video about how to use the blueprint with toilet paper rolls. Have a creative week, friends.